Fiori Imperiali is a brand new metro station on Rome's Line C. Opened in December 2025, right under Via dei Fiori Imperiali, between the Colosseum and the Basilica of Maxentius. It's not just a stop, it's like a mini museum underground. While you walk down to the platforms, you pass through real archaeological remains. Displays from ancient Rome, including wells and structures uncovered during construction. With multimedia storytelling about the history around you. The station also gives you a direct connection to the older line B Colosseo station by an underground passageway. This station blends modern transport with Rome's ancient layers, making even the journey underground a bit of history itself.